who in fact happens to be the son of Pandit.
No, say the last sentence again.
This milestone or this, what should I say, structure was formally opened by Manas Chakravarti, Pandit Manas Chakravarti, on April 2nd, 2006. Okay?
And Pandit Manas Chakravarti, was it connected?
No, Pandit Manas Chakravarti is the son of Pandit Tarapada Chakravarti, who was a very well-known classical exponent of the time when S.D. Burman was there. And he was one of the close friends of S.D. Burman.
I see. Close friend of S.D. Burman.
Yes. He passed away, I think, around 1979 or 80 or something like that.
I see.
This is a two-storied house. Although it's written that he started staying in this house in 1944, but actually this two-storied structure was built in 1950. So there is a slight error here.
1950 was built. But they haven't corrected it?
No, they say he has been living in this house. Maybe at that time in 1944 it was a small house, but my record says at that time he used to live in Hindustan Park, not in this area.
Hindustan Park house is not there?
No, it's no more there.
I see. Destroyed and something new has come up there?
Building structure is non-existent now.
And who stays here now?
This is owned by Marwari gentleman. He bought it from R.D. Burman.
Oh.
And R.D. Burman apparently had sold this house. Some say he has sold this building and gave the money to charity. It basically means it is no more there, no more with the Burmans.
Yeah.
Now the government has declared it as a heritage building.
Oh.
But the government can't take it back because it is already been bought by, against an auction by a Marwari gentleman. So I think the case is still going on. So don't know what. But this street is supposed to be named after S.D. Burman. But whether it has been crystallized or not, I don't know.
This is the house. Two-story house.
Two-storied house.
Any idea how many rooms are there?
No. As you can see, this is a haunted house. There is only one, Chokidar stays here. And he has been living here, that Chokidar I see for the last 10
There
years.
is only one Chokidar staying here.
The first time I interviewed him, do you know whose house is? Nahi. Oh, he said, ये R.D. Burman का घर था.
Because,
ये R.D. Burman का घर था. That's the only information he had.
And what's the street's name?
Street's name? This is South End Park.
South End Park.
Yeah.
This was supposed to be a posh area?
This is a posh area of South Calcutta.
I see.
And this street is supposed to be named after him now. It's supposed to be known as S.D. Burman Street.
S.D. Burman Street.
But I don't know whether it has been implemented or not.
I mean, officially it's S.D. Burman Street.
Not unofficially, but not officially.
Oh.
Unofficially it's still Southern. Officially still Southern Park. Unofficially it's S.D. Burman. Sachin Dev Burman Street.
Achha.